I would tell people to buy Tabor homes.
I'm Kalia, this is Edward. We live in the Scissortail Crossings neighborhood.
I think for us, the biggest reason we decided to go with Tabor Homes is that it was a new build and it gave us the peace of mind of knowing that we had warranties to fall back on, and we were first-time home buyers, so it was a really nerve-wracking process, and having the warranties and the help from the salespeople and just the continued flow of information made it a really easy choice for us.
So our initial walkthrough, we actually weren't here for. We bought our house sight unseen. So our realtor did it for us, but the Tabor employee got on FaceTime with us. He helped walk us through, so that was really incredible to work with. My favorite part of our entire house is the attention to detail. I mean, just like you said, the screws were facing the exact same way. The paint was immaculate. There wasn't paint all over the floors, and there weren't dings on every single cabinet, and the stainless was wiped down and clean. And
the house was clean.
The house was incredibly clean. When we first walked in, I was expecting, maybe a little construction dust, but aside from that, also the fact that it comes with built-ins in the closet, that was really nice, especially when you're moving in. You get to actually organize. You don't have to wait and have things installed. You get to put stuff away and get organized.
The location is just awesome for us, and we have friends that are looking to buy houses, and so we knew that it would be an area that we could invite our friends to come live in and kind of make it a community with our friends.